lovers, here we are, North Stradbroke Island, again just off the coast of the east coast of Australia, Brisbane. Enjoying some of the local wildlife, kangaroos and so forth, but we're not here for the wildlife. We're here for ice cream. Now, we're here in front of Oceanic Gelato and Coffee Bar. Now, I love visiting ice cream shops during work, during play. Hello, ladies. But I love to find out little gems or little things that they do very well that I think we could kind of learn from. 20 odd years in the ice cream business and I'm still learning things from all of these different stores. Look, before we jump into it, I do want to thank our episode sponsor, which is the Chocolate Shop Ice Cream Company. Dave and Sarah Dedman, all the crew up there in Madison, Wisconsin. If you don't want to make your own ice cream, if you'd like to buy your own ice cream, that is a great option. The link is down below. Have a look at all of their flavors. They'll support you. They'll give you the mechanism to be successful. ChocolateShopIceCream.com. The link is down below. Thank you for your episode sponsorship. Okay, the first of which is, there's a little sign above the door, and you don't see this too often these days, but it basically tells you who the owners are. And in this case, we're talking about Laurel and Jenny own this ice cream shop. I do think that's important because sometimes we all know we're visiting a local ice cream shop, but we don't often know the names behind that kind of process of who owns it, who started it. I think to take that to the next level, I love to see a little sign on the wall to say, hey, what the background of Laurel and Jenny are, what do they do? How do they come up with this passion for ice cream? Now, I did speak to the manager in here. They've been very, very busy all morning. They have a pasteurizer, they have batch freezers here. They're making all their own fresh products every single day. The lady at the gift shop next door even said she loves coming in early and smelling mangoes stewing and pistachios roasting, which is awesome. One thing I do really like in here as well, apart from the fact that they've listed who owns the place above the door, is this. So I also like the fact that there's some sort of sign up here that describes what products they sell. And I think this is a marketing opportunity missed because a lot of ice cream shops that actually make their own products, whether it be pasteurizing or even just getting a mix in, I think miss the opportunity just to do a little bit of content marketing right here on the wall of the shop. To say what is gelato, how is it made, how do they do things. I think that goes a long way, particularly when you're in a busy store and people are lined up here. They read these kind of small infographics, paragraphs on the wall, just to kind of help them engage in what you're doing before they even put a spoon in your mouth. Okay, so the third thing is these musk candies I grew up with here in Australia. What they've done is they've basically taken a very unusual flavor profile, this musk stick candy, and made an ice cream flavor out of it, which you won't find anywhere else. So, well, that's hard. So the third thing I love is that they're taking something that's very traditional in the Australian market, Australian candy flavor. They've got the traditional flavors in there as well. But this musk is awesome. Tastes like a musk stick, looks like a musk stick. I think this is number one. In the last 15 minutes we've spent eating ice cream. 3 things to take away. I always try and find some really unique and positive things to take away from an ice cream shop. Again, this is Point Lookout, North Stradbroke Island. Thank you, Jenny and Laurel, for your hospitality today. I also want to thank Chocolate Shop Ice Cream for their sponsorship. And if you have an ice cream question, conundrum that you would like us to answer, we're here for you. Leave a comment down below, hit like, hit subscribe. Keep on scooping. See you in the next video.